Like I told you, lights work, got your mud flaps, everything. Go ahead and start this. I better choke it. There. And then, of course, you got your throttle control here. Back off. You got good reach with your boom there. Everything extends the way it should. And then when you're done, cradles back up, straps down. Honda engines, guys, change the oil on them once in a while. They will last you forever. This thing is ready to go to work. Nice, good running gear, heavy duty running gear. Solid steel construction, good wheels all around. Lights all work. Ready to go.